So happy holidays, everyone. I just finished my trip across Canada and I got to experience a lot of really awesome stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed all the videos that I put up. Visited a couple of my past students, did a couple of videos with Brad, and I even connected with Tony from Fresh Cap Mushrooms. When we got back from our trip, we actually needed a vacation from that trip. So my wife and I, we went to Eucalypt, just on Vancouver Island, and enjoyed a storm that was just coming through, and we had a really relaxing time just to kind of reset. So I've been thinking, you know, it's the holiday season, Christmas is just around the corner, and I wanted to do something really nice for you guys on this channel here. So I have a couple books here. This first book, this is the Mushroom Fan Club. This is a entry-level book for children. It does a really good job at illustrations, and it shows kids really the interesting world of mushrooms, and goes over into detail about the parts of the mushrooms, foraging for mushrooms, and even in the back it talks about how to do spore prints, mushroom facts. You know, just really interesting book with lots of different interesting photos. So we did our Christmas, and I wanted to give a couple books to my nephews, so we actually got 2 of these books for them. I got a 3rd book. This was going to be maybe for our kid eventually, but I thought it'd be cooler to give this away. So whether or not you have kids or you have someone in your life that you think could benefit, I want to give this book away. And I also want to give one of our books away. If you guys didn't know, I wrote a book. This is How to Start and Succeed Growing Mushrooms. If you take our course, if you take our mentorship program, you get this book just by showing up. But we also sell this book. This is a $500 book that we sell. So I want to give a copy of this to someone who really deserves it. Maybe you've been watching this YouTube channel for a while and you can justify spending the money on this for whatever reason. I want to give you a chance to win this and the Mushroom Fan Club book, but I also want to give you one of our WTF T-shirts. So I don't know the best way to do this. I think you just have to leave a comment below and maybe just tell me what's going on in your life, something that's inspirational, and really just kind of connect with me. And if something you say piques my interest, I want to pick you to win my book, the Mushroom Fan Club, and one of our T-shirts. So I'm going to leave that up to you guys. Get creative, and I want to wish you happy holidays, Merry Christmas, whatever you guys celebrate over the holidays. It's been hard for me to continue making videos. This is my downtime, so I'm not really sure how many videos I'm going to be putting out, but I'll do my best to keep connecting with everyone on this channel here. There's a lot of interesting stuff that's going to be happening in 2019, so I'll introduce you guys to all those ideas as they come up. But really, my time right now is just relaxing and taking time off. We do education every week with new students, and it takes a lot of my time up. We're a seasonal farm, but I work every day, so it's really nice to kind of step back, look at the business, and think of the big picture. So that's kind of what I'm doing right now. I wish you guys a happy holidays, and we'll catch you in the next video.